Today's video brought to you by the all-new Soy Glide. That's right, the electric Soy Glide comes complete with flagellation snorkel. Strap it to your face and breathe your own farts so you can keep the world clean and green. Remember, it's electric, so it's whisper quiet when you go moto camping so you don't disturb the chipmunks or squirrels. Order now and comes complete with hard seltzer and complimentary pair of skinny jeans. That's right, the Soy Glide. All on this walk-in box. It's about 6:30 at night. It's 46 degrees, set for 38. The power's been going on and off because of PG&E, but let's get on the roof and check the condensing unit. All right, here's our unit. I put this in on May 5th of 17. You got a defrost timer. Looks like we're flashing a little bit, huh? Lucky there. Condenser doesn't look too dirty. Let's gauge up on this beast and see what it looks like. Alright, let's see here. Measure quicks. See if she'll load up for me. Let's see. 404. Refrigeration. Yeah, I'm not doing all that fun stuff. Hold on. Alright, I got the measure quick hooked up, the field piece probes. And basically just confirming we're low on charge. I don't see anything oily up top here. You'll see the subcooling low on these refrigeration units. They don't do very good on subcooling. They're really inefficient units. Let's add some gas and see what happens here. And then we could run down some leak checking. Alright, jug, hose. Hose has a ball valve on it. If you're wondering why the sun looks that color, summertime again in California, we got fires up the coast. Just on the other side of that ridge. Not good. And anyways, the usual suspects. With this ball valve, we could throttle in the refrigerant, so try not to kill our compressor. Let's see how our sight glass comes out here. Yeah, it's not taking much to clear it. That's for sure. Not taking much at all. Let that settle for a minute. You guys can't even see. Let's see. Not much at all. I need to change the settings on my iPad so it stays on longer. You guys don't need to see my secret special code. Look at that though. I got the suction pressure up. my evaporator temperature up. Compressor superheat. It's actually for Copeland. See if it settles down. It's actually a little low. I might have to open that TXV up a hairball. 20. You want 20 superheat minimum at your compressor. Here it comes. That looks better. And on these refrigeration units, that's all you're going to see on the subcooling. These are the little indoor units, the Copelands. Yeah, if you get 4 degrees subcooling out of them, you're doing really good. Well, it barely took any gas to clear that up. And to get our suction pressure where it's happy. I'm reading superheat at the compressor. Copeland wants a minimum of 20, so I'm barely right in there. I might have to open that TXV a hairball. Like 1/4 of a turn. Let's see where it settles down at. Let's see, I know we're approaching 7 p.m. Let's see where our time clock's at. Yeah, it's way out of whack. Let's see. I always like to check the time clocks when I'm out looking. With all the power outages, you know they always slip out of time. We're gonna go back an hour here in a month or two. Let's set it for like 6:30. That thing's gonna do 1 defrost at nighttime. That compressor superheat's just like right in there. We'll give that condenser coil a wash out too and a shine up while we're up here. I'll grab some coil cleaner in the pump sprayer. Then I need to see those guys downstairs are leaving that door open. It was a little bit low on charge, but not much. Not much. That definitely looks better. Just coming around where the temperature will go right up, that door pops open. All right, today's coil cleaner is the new Calgon Blackhawk for evaporators and condensers. Cleaning HVAC equipment in food processing areas. NSF, baby. Blackhawk by New Calgon. Get some on your van. Something going on down there. Just about out. I only had a little bit left in the can. Oh, looky there. Get that dirt out of that coil. Let her foam up, and then I got the pump sprayer for the rinse out. Water only. Got her rinsed out good. I think we're ready to turn her back on and take a peek. We have our delay right here on our control. There we go. 3 pump outs. Pump out number 2. Pump out number 3. And let's go for the money. Here we go. Let everybody reconnect and let that coil dry a bit. Now the superheat for your compressor, it's a minimum of 20, so it could be a little bit higher at your compressor, but they're looking for a minimum of 20. At your evaporator, the coil manufacturers nowadays are looking for 10 degrees superheat. Everything's about dead nuts right now. The subcooling on these units is always going to be low. They're just not very efficient. Condensing, 21 evaporator. I'll break out the H.V.A.C and give a snifferooski. I don't know if that little bit of charge. Man, I put like 3 squirts in there. Maybe you're talking 8 to 10 ounces to clear the sight glass. I'm really suspicious if 10 ounces was my problem. I'm thinking more that door's getting stuck open, and I'll show you guys the swamp cooler air blows right into the door. If that door gets cracked open, you're going to get a high reading in there every time. So I'm going to go down there and do some investigating. Let's wrap this up here before it gets dark. I'll bring you guys in here and show you what's up. So that swamp cooler right there. Air's coming right down. This door gets jammed open a little bit. I'm not closed all the way. That air from the swamp cooler blows right in here. Look, we're coming around the mountain. That air will blow right in through this door in here. Because it's so hot, it'll just heat the box up and get a crazy reading. See, look, just from opening the door, look, super sensitive right there. They're sucking all that air around the coil. So it's just regular, and you come out like this, and then you go like this. That curtain's hanging the door up, see? Right there's your problem. I think we're gonna be okay.